How to opt out from Lindung 24 SKBBK. First, you'll need to register an account. Head to link below. Select Daftar account. Fill in your details like IC number and email. Set a password and agree to the terms. Once you're done, we'll move to the next step. Great! If you see this pendaftaran berjaya message, your account is all set up. Just click Seterusnya to continue with the opt-out process. Next up, you'll see the scheme's liability notice. Tick the boxes to confirm you've read and understood everything, and that you're choosing to opt out voluntarily, with no pressure at all. Once you check these, we'll go to the final confirmation. Before you proceed, the system will double-check if you're sure. Remember, opting out means you won't get the medical benefits under this scheme anymore. If you still want to go ahead, select Sahkan, saya tidak mahu menyertai. Perfect. When you see this message, your opt-out declaration has been successfully sent. Just hit OK, and we're almost done. You'll also see a notice reminding you that any contributions you made to SKBBK before today will still stay with the scheme. This only affects your coverage going forward. Now, there's one last important step. Finally, click Download Notice to save a copy of your opt-out confirmation. Be sure to give this to your employer so they can update their records for you. This is what your official opt-out notice will look like. It's always a good idea to save a digital copy or print one out for your personal records too.
That's all the steps for opting out. I hope this guide makes things clearer for you. If you'd like to learn more about managing your finances and taxes here, check out our upcoming training classes. Malaysian Tax System, 12 until the 14th of August. Stamp Duty Essentials, 23 until the 25th of September. They're priced simply, 20 per class, 74 for sessions, or 100 for 6. If you're interested, just send me a message, or check the link in my bio. No pressure at all. Thanks for your watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.